Hey, what you doing, step drill bit? Well, giggity. Hey guys, it's Cars Our Friends, and today I just want to show you this little tool that I got from Amazon. It's a little clip removal tool, especially if you have to deal with those underbody splash pads that have these little body clips, and these actually will help out. So I actually made this. I got a drill, got some old Tupperware that we don't need, and got some body clips that, or panel clips that I've got laying around because I break them so many times. So if you're like me who has to deal with a lot of body panel clips and you have one of these little tiny screwdrivers, you're used to just sticking this in here, trying to pry it open, Anyways, you try to pry it open like this one here. You go around and you pry it up and then out, right? Or you go use one of these doohickeys and then you try to pop it in there and fight it. You end up either breaking the tab or breaking the panel, or even if you have one of these doohickeys where you just have to just go like this, right? Try to get in between and you pop it. And it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, like now. Well, I got this thing on Amazon where you just go on like this, and then it just pops up. See? So with this thing, it actually has a jaw. Inches here, out. Inches here, pushes at the same time. So if you have these, you just gotta look for the little indication like that, and then it'll pinch up and out, and then click back, which actually comes in handy. The great thing about this is that you can just do it quickly. Just do that, and then do that, and do that. Break. One of these will come out as a whole. Unfortunately, if you don't have a good grip on them, they will break. They come in handy, so you don't need the flat screwdriver. You're fighting it all the time, and at least it comes off. It just goes in one way, right, and out, right, out. You got teeth on there. See? Out. Now, the only thing that it probably will not work on are these things right here. So you need to dig in there. Once it's not, but so I'm gonna hang on and just fight it off. So yeah, this is my little mini review of the clip remover. I think it's great. The plastic that I'm using to remove the clips aren't properly drilled, but I've used this on my car once and it's really good. So get yourself some. Alright, thank you. Like and subscribe.